Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with LogRocket to visualize web app UX issues, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the LogRocket website. If you don't already have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required fields with your information to create an account. Once registered, log into your LogRocket account. After logging in, you will see the dashboard. Locate the Create a New Project button and click on it. Provide a name for your project and fill in any additional details requested. Select the appropriate platform for your web application from the options provided. Once your project is created, you will see a unique project ID. Copy this project ID as you will need it for authorization. Next, open your web application's codebase. Install the LogRocket package using your package manager. If you use npm, run the command npm install save LogRocket in your terminal. For Yarn users, the command is yarn add LogRocket. After installation, import LogRocket into your application file. Add the initialization code using your project ID. The code should look like this: logrocket.init, your project ID. Place this code at the beginning of your application, preferably in your entry file. Once added, save your changes and refresh your application. LogRocket is now set up to capture user sessions. To verify that LogRocket is collecting data, return to your LogRocket dashboard. Here you should see active sessions being recorded. Explore the captured sessions to visualize user interactions and identify UX issues. Utilize the filters and search features to analyze specific user behavior. LogRocket provides tools to replay sessions and pinpoint problems within the user experience. With the integration complete, you are now equipped to enhance your web app's UX through data-driven insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.